How to change your age on TikTok. Hey guys, it's me Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. Open your TikTok application and tap on the profile option and tap on the three line icon. Head to your settings and privacy. Now scroll down at the very bottom and tap on report a problem. Go ahead and tap on account and profile option from this list. Now tap on editing profile. Now scroll down and select the option of other. Now tap on need more help. From here, what you will do next is you will go ahead and describe your problem. You can write anything but be convincing. For an example, you can write you want to change your age because you have mistakenly added a wrong DOB and you would like to change it. You can also write your username and email. Now once you do that, tap on submit, and after a while you might be able to have a reply from TikTok team. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.